What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Rico, baby. If you ain't brushing, you ain't swimming. Alright, so let's get to it. In this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I clean out my brushes. You know, I left them in the bathroom and other people was using them, like my sisters, and they left hair in it. You know, I already was supposed to clean my brushes, but they left mad hair in it, all of that, and I don't like none of that. So I'm gonna just show y'all how I clean out my brushes. And what you need is a good comb or a pick to pick out all the dirt, all the hair, all the unnecessary stuff you don't need in your brush. All right, you need a good soap. I'm using this hand soap. You can use any kind of soap, but use something that's gonna get all the grease out. Alright, so what you're gonna do is really get in there with your comb to get all the nasty stuff out, get all the unnecessary hair out, you know, all of that to keep your brush clean. And that's what I'm doing right now. Y'all see all the stuff that's coming out just by me doing this. Alright, if you want to keep your brush clean, you want to do this right here at least like twice a week, you know, to keep your brush fresh, clean. You know, do this right here. You know, get in there with the comb, get the dirt out, get everything out. Use the soap, wash it out. You know, that's what I'm doing right here. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Let's get it.
The doctor will see you now.
Do not leave your brush. Left my brush in the water too long. I let it get soaked. I didn't let this one get soaked. That's why they're both cleaned out. I got the dirt out of both of them, but this brush is soaked up. Paint coming off. Do not leave your brushes in the water for too long. Alright, don't let your brushes get soaked up. The paint will come off. See, that's what happened with this brush right here. That's what happened with this brush. See, they're both cleaned out. I got dirt out of both of them. That's how I clean my brushes. But do not leave your brush in the sink for too long. Alright, don't let them get soaked. That's what happened with this brush right here. It got too soaked up and the paint started coming off. Like, these both my heavy brushes that I use on a daily for wolfing. These not a brush like I really use for like style, you know. I got brushes that I really would get mad if they get messed up, alright? But these ones right here, mainly for wolfing. You know, a lot of dirt would get in these because I wolf heavy, man. That's how I clean my brushes, but damn. Should I throw it away or keep it, man? But don't let your brush get too soaked, man, when you're washing it, alright?